A small kitchen requires clever solutions to maximize every inch of space. In our 1,000 square foot house, the galley-style kitchen left limited storage options. During our renovation, we replaced everything and installed an IKEA kitchen. To create additional storage and use wasted space, I built under-cabinet drawers using 1x3 wood frames, IKEA hardware, and toe kicks. These under-cabinet drawers are a game changer for small kitchens, transforming the often overlooked space beneath cabinets into functional storage. I started by measuring the toe kick area to ensure the frames would fit snugly without interfering with the legs. Using 1x3s, I constructed rectangular frames to support the drawers and securely attach them to the back wall and underside of the cabinets. I assembled them using pocket holes and wood glue for added durability, then installed them with IKEA drawers and drawer slides for smooth operation. To complete the project, I repurposed the toe kicks as drawer fronts, carefully measuring and trimming them to fit perfectly. Using screws and IKEA drawer hardware, I secured the toe kicks to the drawers, creating a seamless and integrated look that matches the rest of the kitchen cabinets. These drawers became the perfect storage solution for baking sheets, cutting boards, and less used kitchen tools. They transform previously wasted space into functional storage while keeping the kitchen neat and organized. This project proves that even small kitchens can benefit from innovative storage solutions. For more inspiration, check out the other projects we completed in this kitchen, like a slim wall-mounted pantry and a roll-out pantry for storage next to the fridge. Links to those videos are in the description below. I hope you have been inspired by this video to create your own innovative kitchen storage or use wasted space. If so, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.